This warning appears in Mitsubishi Outlander models, especially PHEVs from 2018 to 2025, signaling a potential fuel system issue. The engine control module detects anomalies in the fuel pump relay, fuel level sensor, or evaporative emissions system. Common causes include wiring harness corrosion, especially in PHEVs due to moisture exposure. Other triggers are faulty fuel pump modules or software glitches misinterpreting sensor data. In hybrids, the system monitors both gasoline and electric refueling, with issues possibly stemming from battery integration. The system uses sensors to ensure safe operation. Abnormal pressure or level readings activate the warning, which is often a false positive but can indicate serious problems if ignored. Start with a simple reset by holding the fuel door button for 5 seconds. If the warning persists, use an OBD2 scanner to check for codes like P0441 for evap purge valve or P0456 for vent solenoid. A recent trend is software-related issues. Check for over-the-air updates via Mitsubishi's Connected Services app. A July 2025 update addresses false triggers. If comfortable, inspect the wiring for corrosion. Clean any corroded wiring that you find. It may save you some money. However, Mitsubishi recommends professional service to avoid voiding warranties, especially for models within the 100,000-mile warranty. Dealerships offer free diagnostics under warranty. Repairs can cost $200 to $800 otherwise. Remember to always clear codes after any repairs or updates, and consult a mechanic if you are not comfortable completing the maintenance yourself.